Can't catch big fish? Here's why your bait strategy fails and how to fix it this fall. Struggling to catch big fish in autumn? Chances are, you aren't properly attracting them. Just tossing a few clumps of bait won't cut it. Big fish need a consistent, well-planned feeding zone. Here's how to do it right. 1. Heavy baiting. Autumn is prime feeding season for big fish. They need to bulk up before winter. Use plenty of bait, with a mix of fine particles for quick aroma spread and coarse chunks for lasting food at the bottom. Too little bait? Fish will nibble and leave fast. Too smart bait placement. Use techniques that keep the bait available longer. For carp, mix some bait into mud or sediment. This way, part of it is buried and can only be uncovered by bigger fish, making the feeding zone last longer. For grass carp, netting apples, corn, or tender grass works well. Fish can nibble, but it won't vanish immediately. 3. Precise drop points. Where you drop your bait matters more than most anglers realize. Make sure the baited area is just ahead of your hook, not behind. If the fish eat the bait but your hook is out of reach, they'll leave without biting. Adjust for slopes or currents. Bait can roll forward or backward, so watch the terrain carefully. Also, use long leaders and dark weights to avoid spooking fish near the bottom. In short, heavy bait, smart placement, and accurate drop points make all the difference for catching big fish in autumn. Have you tried these tactics yet? Share your results in the comments.